ready to transform that chaotic mess into a streamlined system for your next big idea. Let's jump right into creating your first Trello board, the cornerstone of organized project management. First, make sure you are logged into your Trello account. You'll land on your home screen, where you can see all your existing boards. To get started, look for the Create button in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. It's typically blue and has a plus sign on it. Click on it. A drop-down menu will appear, offering several options. Select Create Board from the list. This will initiate the process of building your new organizational hub. Now, a window will pop up asking you to give your board a name. This is important, so choose a title that clearly reflects the project or topic you'll be managing on this board, for instance, website redesign or vacation planning. Next, personalize your board by selecting a background. You can choose from a variety of colors, patterns, or even upload your own image to visually represent your project. Then, specify which workspace this board should belong to, or choose no workspace if you want it to be private. For now, workspaces are great for teams, but individual projects work perfectly with the no workspace option. Finally, click the Create button at the bottom of the window, and just like that, you have a brand new Trello board, ready to be populated with lists and cards. You're now one step closer to conquering your tasks.